What if I told you the banks are getting rich off your money? While you work hard, save, and try to build wealth, they're using your cash to make billions. But what if you could flip the script? What if you could become your own bank, earning interest, borrowing from yourself, and never relying on traditional banks again? Sounds like a dream. Well, it's not. It's called infinite banking. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how the wealthy use it to stay rich. And how you can too. Let's talk about how the system is rigged against you. When you deposit money in the bank, what happens? It just sits there, right? Wrong. The bank takes your money and lends it out at 5, 10, even 20% interest, while paying you a pathetic 0.01% in savings interest. Banks don't just hold money. They multiply it. But you're left with scraps. Think about it. If you gave your friend $1,000 and they made $10,000 with it, but only gave you back a quarter, would you still call them a friend? No? Then why do we accept this from banks? But here's where it gets interesting. What if you could become your own bank? What if you could grow your money tax-free, borrow from yourself, and never pay banks interest again? Enter infinite banking. This is a strategy used by the wealthy for over a century, and the secret ingredient: a properly structured whole life insurance policy. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You fund a high cash value life insurance policy. Unlike traditional insurance, this isn't just about death benefits. It's a wealth building tool. Step 2. Your money grows tax-free while also earning guaranteed interest and dividends. But here's the best part. Step 3. You can borrow against your policy, just like a bank lends out money. The catch? You control the interest, not them. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, life insurance? That's something my grandpa talks about. Listen up. The Rockefellers, the Rothschilds, even Walt Disney have used this exact method to build generational wealth. If it's good enough for billionaires, don't you think it's worth considering? But the real question is, how do you start using this strategy today? Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how do I actually do it? Here's the step-by-step breakdown. Find the right policy. Not all life insurance is built for infinite banking. You need a high cash value whole life policy from a mutual insurance company. Work with a specialist. This is not your everyday life insurance. You need an expert who understands how to structure it properly. Otherwise, you're wasting your money. Start funding your bank. The more you put in, the more you can borrow later. Over time, you can finance your own car, investments, even real estate, without ever using a traditional bank. Imagine this. 5 years from now, instead of paying the bank thousands in loan interest, you're paying yourself. Every dollar borrowed goes back into your system, building your wealth. Here's the kicker. Your money still grows, even when you borrow it. Unlike a bank, where withdrawals shrink your balance, infinite banking lets your cash keep compounding like it never left. The biggest mistake: not setting it up correctly. Too many people rush into this without the right structure and end up paying fees, losing growth, and getting stuck. But if done right, this could be your ticket to financial freedom, on your terms. The choice is simple. Keep letting banks use your money or become your own bank and build real wealth. The wealthy have used this strategy for decades. Now it's your turn. Don't wait for permission to build wealth. Take control today.